Lifeboats. You must have heard the term, or maybe you have seen in many ships. If not, then maybe you have seen in movies as well.
Abandoned ship into the longboat.
History of lifeboats have evolved from simple open-top wooden boats to the advanced pieces of technology they are today. In the modern age of shipping, there are many types of lifeboats: open, partially enclosed, fully enclosed, and many others as per the requirement of the vessel. And we have one in our ship as well, which is fully enclosed free-fall type. On April 15, 1912, the RMS Titanic sank in the cold Atlantic Ocean, taking over more than 15,000 lives that day. One of the main reasons so many people were lost was the lack of the lifeboats. This tragedy showed the world how important lifeboats are. Just 2 years later, in 1914, countries around the world came together to create the first international convention for the safety of life at sea, or SOLAS. This new agreement set strict rules to make sure ship had enough lifeboats for everyone, and that these lifeboats were strong and safe. Today, SOLAS is the most important set of safety rules for ships. It requires all ships to have enough lifeboat, and they must be regularly checked and tested. Crew members are trained to launch the lifeboats quickly and safely, even in the difficult conditions. So for that reason, today we are going to launch our lifeboat as a part of our monthly drill. And we have some participants for today. It's a very simple procedure to launch a free-fall type. Connect the David hook, lower it to the water level, embark into the lifeboat through the embarkation ladder, hop into the lifeboat, fasten your seat belts, and steer away from the vessel. Once we are in the water, we perform all kind of checks on the engine, steering system, and other things of the lifeboat. During this process, we also take a full round of ship to inspect the hull condition. For some of us, it's a part of our monthly drill, and for some, it's an adventure, and we try to enjoy every bit of a moment of this. After completing all the checklist, it's time to bring the lifeboat back to the vessel safely also. And it's our job also. Same procedure for bringing back the lifeboat also. Connect the David hook, close the doors properly, climb onto the ladder and get on board. Once the boat is rested in its position, it's time to secure it properly for the long voyage. Now you guys have seen about the history of lifeboats, how to launch it, how to recover it, and many other things. But what else you will find inside a lifeboat which will help you to survive out there in the ocean, such as food, water, hello there, survival manual, medicines, fishing tackle, pyrotechnics, engine repair kit. Oi, it was my turn. Bye. And the list goes on and on. Not only the lifeboat we have on board, but we have a lot of other things which help us to survive ourselves and sometimes others also, such as rescue boat is there for search and rescue operations. Life rafts are there for emergency situations. Life jacket, emergency chute, and a lot of other stuff. You name it and you will get it. The important thing is, these things are there to help you save your life. But you need to learn how to use it properly in every kind of situation. That's all for today, guys. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more exciting content.